Hi, my name is Court Clayton. I am the owner of Integrated Avian Solutions, and this is Clive. He's one of a team of Harris Hawks that we use here in downtown Portland to help manage crow challenges. There are approximately 15,000 crows that come into our downtown core every night during the winter to roost, basically to sleep. They find comfort in the lights that are down here and the low street trees, and it's just a pretty safe environment for them. Crows naturally aggregate to roost in the winter, and they do it in urban centers, and they've decided to do it in Portland. So this is the 4th year of our program, and we patrol the streets of downtown about 75 blocks worth, and we evict the crows from those areas where they're problematic. So we use these hawks in a completely non-lethal way to haze the crows, to scare them out of these roost trees and push them into places where they're less impactful. What that looks like is us as a team.
I'm Mateo, this is Marvin.
Casey, this is Devo.
Walking around with our hawks following us. We set them free, and they sit in trees, and they fly to the building tops, and they sit on posts and every other perching structure that's available to them, and they follow us. And just their presence basically is very intimidating to the crows, and it forces them to move. And if we do our job right, they move further and further out from the center of our project area, and they get out to the edges, and that's where they stay. It's a unique environment for us to work in, and for our hawks to work in. Being highly urbanized is part of that, but it's also nighttime, right? It's dark. So we learned pretty quickly that Harris Hawks, that's the species that we use down here, they have pretty good low light vision, and so they get around just fine in the ambient light of downtown. There's abundant challenges and obstacles and risks for them. We've had a hawk end up on top of a TriMet bus or the MAX and ride a block or two.